Hello to all of you, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta and today we'll understand how to run exploratory data analysis using Autoviz in Python. So exploratory data analysis is the first step in data analysis. It is a process developed by John Tukey in 1970s. In statistics, exploratory data analysis is an approach to analyze data sets, to summarize their main characteristics, often with visual methods. By the name itself, we can come to know that it is exploring the data set. In exploratory data analysis, we have many plots, heat maps, frequency distributions, graphs, correlation matrix, along with the hypothesis by which an individual can understand what data is all about and what insights we can draw from by exploring the data set. There is a saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but for data scientists, a plot is worth 1,000 rows. Now, Autoviz is an open source Python library that mainly works on visualizing the relationship of the data. It can find the most impactful features and plot creative visualization in just one line of code. Autoviz is incredibly fast and highly useful. So to install Autoviz, first of all, we will have to go in command prompt and you will have to write down pip install Autoviz, enter, and the installation process will be initiated. Once the installation is over, you will be capable enough to use its library. So the first command which I'll write is from Autoviz to Autoviz underscore class import Autoviz class. This is first. We want to activate the functions of Autoviz. Now I'll write down AV is equal to Autoviz underscore class, and this will initiate the Autoviz library. Once this is done, once you complete this, now I will have to give the file name Titanic. So in Titanic dataset, the separator is comma, DFT, that is AV Autoviz, which is activated. Give the path where your file is located. R is used for the smooth import of the data. Separator is comma, depth variable nothing, DFT none, header 0, verbose 0, lowest false, chart format, I want the chart to be in SVG, maximum rows analyzed 1,50,000, maximum columns analyzed 30,000. I'll run this code. After running this code, what I'll get is the chart. See, it's an Autoviz chart. Here I get a scatter plot of age with fare, age with passenger class, then siblings with age, age and pass, all combinations it will give me. So this is a scatter plot. For categorical variable, it will give me the bar chart. For continuous variable, it will give me the box plot. You can see it gives me the box plot also. Now, the box plots according to the categories also it will give. Okay, go on scrolling. Okay, distribution of boat according to top 15 categories. Right, violin plot. So for continuous variable, it will give me the violin plot. Heat map to see the correlation of one variable with the another. So if it is very dark here, then it is negatively correlated. This means that this is negatively correlated. And if it is red, light red or light orange, then it is positively correlated. Then it gives me the average age by embarked. So it is basically grouped by average age by average fare by embarked, average sibling by embarked, average P class by embarked. So it gives me the entire exploration of the data. Average age by gender, average fare by gender. So this is a way you can run Autoviz on your system. For more videos on data science, kindly subscribe to my channel. I have already uploaded many videos which are related to data science using Python. Please refer my playlist. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button.